Hi friends. Welcome to our channel. Friends, today we have brought the PCB board of mini amplifier. This is 60-watt amplifier, based on tip41c and tip42c. Instead of this you can also use tip31 and tip30 to hear. This is stereo amplifier. This amplifier is good for bookshelf speakers. So friends, let's see the connection. This amplifier work from 12 volt AC to 18 volt AC transformer. Don't use transformer more than 18 volts, otherwise this board will be damaged. After rectified you will get 25 volt DC supply. Connect as shown in the video. Connect positive 25 volt here, and negative 25 volt here. Ground you have to connect here. Use minimum 5 ampere transformer. For better results use original component. Now let's see audio connection. You can use any of these audio source for input. To control high and low frequency, use bass treble board. We have uploaded video on bass treble board. You can watch that. Connect as shown in video. You have to connect the output from the module to the input of tone control board. And the output from the board is to be connected to the input of the amplifier. There is already a potentiometer in the board to control the volume. Here you have to use 0.1 ohm 5 watts resistors. If you can't get this resistor in your local market, then friends, you can use this type of resistor. You have to mount it vertically. Friends, if you like this video then give one like and comment below. Now we will see where to connect the speaker. Friends, you can connect 4 ohms or 8 ohms speaker to this board. Maximum 8-inch. Connect as shown in picture. If you want PDF file then contact us by mail. And don't forget to attach screenshot of board. Friends, if you have any doubt regarding this PCB or suggestions then comment below. Thanks for watching.